Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add indent in Canva. So first thing first, let's tap in the text, of course, Control V. So this is just a random article on the Canva, so let's move it a bit over here, let's zoom in a little bit. This is good. So okay, let's align this first. So right now this does not have gaps, so one way is that you can simply tap in here and hit this space, and this will create the indent. You can do the same on the downside. So yeah, this is manually. So suppose you wanna create an indent, all we have to do is duplicate this one. Let's duplicate, and as you can see, all we have to do is from the first text, let's select and let's delete all the rest of the paragraph except for the first line, as you can see. So let's move it up here, let's get a bit larger, and all you have to do is tap in a bit here, and as you can see there's indent. So yeah, let's create a cap. So yeah, you can also make it a group, create a group, so that way you can simply, it has become one, and now what you gotta do is you can really duplicate this whole thing, or yeah. So this is how you create indent in the Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.